Good morning, everyone. My name is Jack.
And my name is Daniel.
We are from grade 6 Reef Sharks. Today's word of the day is drift. Let's spell it together. D
D
R
R
I
I
F
F
T
T
drift.
drift.
Good. Let's do it one more time. D
D
R
R
I
I
F
F
T
T.
drift.
But what does drift mean?
Drift means to move slowly. If an object is drifting, it is usually being moved by wind, water, or air.
Like when you fly a kite, it drifts in the wind and is floating in the sky.
Exactly. Or like a boat drifting in the ocean, it is moving slowly in the waves.
Now let's repeat each sentence part by part.
When you fly a kite,
When you fly a kite,
it drifts in the wind.
it drifts in the wind. Thank you for listening, everyone.